Oh,
You wash my hands.
you wash your hands, okay.
Okay, what is... Oh, wait, her big is so hot.
Oh, you took her heart. I thought that's her tummy.
Nuh-uh.
Huh? I thought that's her tummy.
Daddy, 1, 2, 3, 4. You want my heart? 9.
Okay, count them though. Lakas mo ha. Count hard. Count.
We need teeth.
Okay, count again. Malakas.
What's that? You want heart? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
She's putting it back. Are you putting back her heart?
And you want a new heart?
She got a new heart? How many?
Teeth.
6? Wow. 6 heart? That's a lot of heart.
Yeah, need a lot of heart and I'll be tiny.
Lots of heart, so no more awitami.
9. Go away, hearty. Go away, I'll be tiny.
Okay, go away, awitami. Yeah.
And Ada, you get your toy now. Now you have a toy. Okay, pick the toy. I'll hold your toy. Oh, I like it.
Daming momo ah. Dami mong momo, Maricar. Yeah. Is baby going to school now?
No, baby Tiny.
Baby Tiny?
No, baby.
Is baby going to sleep now? Did you put her to sleep?
No, baby doing it too. We do two, baby. Oh, wow.
Oo nga. Yan ang totoo. Yan. Oh, there's the baby. Where's baby gonna go?
Baby doing.
Where's she going?
Doing it too.
Going to sleep now?
No, doing it too. Ready? You'll be diddy time. You'll be baby.
Oo.
You'll be diddy time.
Okay. Oh, she's going to Miss Jeannie class? Is she better now? She's not sick anymore? Oh, she got... Oo, mga active pa. Hello, Bernadette. Say hi, guys.
Hi, I see my baby. Hello.
Lalay mo muna ah.
Okay.
Are you gonna put her to sleep?
Abby Dini.
Okay, Miss Jeannie. Okay.
Hi, Abby Dini.
Oh, you... Good job. Wah! Wah! Okay. Oh, baby is doing somersault?
And now we do this.
Yeah.